This view is of two of the many chillers in the plant that are not being replaced at this point. You see chiller 8 on the right. Now we're panning toward chiller 7 in the background of the panels. And then as we swing back around, so this is chiller 7, the next one chiller 8, and then chiller 9 is over here in the corner. Chiller 9 is right in front of one of two roll-up doors in the plant. And this would not be the roll-up door that would be used for the replacement of chiller 1 and 2. So this first part of the video is just a tour of one side of the plant that actually won't be affected at all or a part of the chiller 1 and 2 replacement scope. So again, chiller 9, up on the elevated area you see the control panels and remote starters for chillers 7, 8, and 9. So through that door is the plant operator's office. And now we'll pan around to the right and we'll walk into the other side of the plant room and we'll see chillers 1 through 6. So here we go into the other side of the plant, and it starts with chiller 6, and then from left to right 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And you see the gentleman in front of a large gray roll-up door down there just beyond the skid steer. We'll get a little bit better view of that in a minute. Each of these chillers is 1,500 tons, and they are all the same basic train CVHF model number with size 210 shells. So again, you can see the roll-up door that would be used for the replacement of these machines. And it's chillers 1 and 2 at this end of the plant that are the two slated for replacement. So a sizable roll-up door. The dimensions of the pads for these chillers is 16 feet long and 9 feet 4 inches wide. And they're all identical. So this is on the other side of chillers 1 through 6. There's an open area over here. When I pan back to the right, you'll see an open area, and that's where they're going to install a new chiller. And so we're in that far side from when we first walked in. And this is a view in between 5 and 6 looking back into the other room where 7, 8, and 9 are. And now we'll pan to the left, seeing chiller 5 and then 4, 3, 2, and 1 heading toward the large roll-up door. This open area that I've just panned through is where chiller 10 will ultimately be placed. Chiller 10 is going to be a steam-driven centrifugal. We're about to shift to the last little bit of video. We'll be outside the roll-up door and we'll get a sense for the delivery path. So delivery path coming down the hill and then through the roll-up door here that slides right into the mechanical room. And walk down here through the side access door And we'll see the remote starters for chillers 1 and 2 right there. So these panels are the remote starters for chillers 1 and 2, which will also be replaced as part of this chiller 1 and 2 project. And there's the roll-up door in the far background of this shot. There you can see the roll-up door. And this is 1 and 2 that are directly adjacent to that door. That concludes the video.